Viral makeup that I think is worth it. Starting with skin prep, my favorite is the Kosas Collagen Spray. And then following with the Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Acid Cream. I've had an opportunity to really test out a bunch of brands, a bunch of different products that went viral on TikTok. I get so much PR. So these are the products that I really think are worth it. Genuinely, this is not even sponsored. I recently started color correcting and I love this Makeup Forever color corrector. I have a little queen right there. She's a little crazy, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Kosas Glow IV is the first when it comes to skin. Love to mix this product in with foundation. It's the best. Alone, it's great. With foundation, it's amazing. When I tell you MAC foundations are so slept on, this one especially, Studio Radiance, if you love that glass skin look, this is exactly what you need. And it's buildable. I like to mix it in with my Kosas Glow IV and apply it with my fingers. This foundation is truly super stunning. This Westman Atelier Kabuki brush is amazing for blending out foundations too. It's a little on the pricier side, but if you are on a budget, get this Tarte one. It's also great. NARS Creamy Concealer or the Hourglass one, both are stunning for different looks. I'm a fan of the Hourglass one all the way, but if I'm going for a more natural look, NARS Creamy Concealer is the way to go. NARS Pot Concealer is also amazing, especially for covering up breakouts. This is major. This is also a great concealer to just put around your nose because it'll stay. I'll immediately blend it out around my nose, but on my breakouts, so just let it sit for a little bit. Patrick Ta little bronzy duo in the shade She's Bronzed. Yeah, I think this is well worth the hype. I really don't love the brush that it comes with though. I have it. I like using the Refi one instead. It has a little side, so you can be just very precise with where you put it. And then this bigger side just kind of blend. Prefer this one. Rare Beauty blushes are the best in the world. This is shade Bliss. It's this gorgeous, like, peachy, summery color. So good. Also, the Morphe brushes are absolutely amazing, and I think they're a great investment. I bought these myself, and I'm very, very happy with them. For highlight, I do love the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk highlight. This shade specifically, because I do not like the regular gold one. This Pillow Talk one is great, though. It's stunning. It's beautiful. That is basically all of my skin, so if you're interested in everything else, go to part 2.